Good morning everyone. Myself Pavitra Akki, studying in KLE Society's College of Education, Vidyanagar, Hubli. Today I am going to tell about International Yoga Day 2021. First, we will learn about background of the International Yoga Day. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental and spiritual practice that originated in India. The word yoga derives from Sanskrit and means to join or to unite, the symbolizing union of body and consciousness. Today, it is practiced in various forms around the world and continues to grow in popularity. Recognizing its universal appeal on 11th December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed 21 June as International Yoga Day by resolution of 69/131. June 21, which is summer solstice, is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere and has special significance in many parts of the world. International Yoga Day aims to raise awareness worldwide of the many benefits of practicing yoga. The next slide, which is going to be tell about the logo of the International Yoga Day, and it is about 2021 logo. This logo indicates the folding of both hands in the logo symbolize yoga. The International Yoga Day logo union, which reflects the union of individual consciousness with that of universal consciousness, a perfect harmony between mind and body, man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being. The brown leaves symbolizes the earth element, the green leaves symbolizes the nature, the blue symbolizes the water element, brightness symbolizes the fire element, and the sun symbolizes the source of energy and inspiration. The logo reflects harmony and peace for humanity, which is essence of yoga. These joint hands indicates union and the orange halo indicates fire element. This globe is going to be indicates the oneness. The green leaves are going to be indicating the nature of the earth and brown leaves indicating the earth. This blue human art indicates the water in the body. Then coming to the benefits of yoga. Yoga is very necessary and beneficial for all human beings. It is practiced by all on daily basis in the early morning. Some of the benefits of yoga includes increased muscle strength and tone, increased flexibility, improved respiration, energy and vitality, maintaining a balanced metabolism, weight reduction, cardio and circulatory health, improved athletic performance. Then stretches and protects your spine. It is going to be keep your muscles strong, increases your blood flow, prevents joint problems, and this is going to be improves your posture, metabolism, increases immunity and makes you to be flexible in your nature. Being harmony to your life and calm your nerve system, improves your reaction, increases concentration, helps you to sleep well and relieves depression, makes you to be happier in the world, helps you to be relaxed, makes you stress free, improves your memory and normalizes your weight. Then coming to the theme for 2021, the theme for 2021 is Yoga for Well-being. The day will be marked at the time when COVID-19 pandemic continues to upend lives and livelihoods of people globally. Beyond its immediate impact on physical health, the COVID-19 pandemic has also exacerbated physiological or psychological suffering and mental health problems, including depression and anxiety, as pandemic related restrictions continue in various forms in many countries. This has highlighted the urgent need to address the mental health dimensions of the pandemic in addition to the physical health aspects. Then, the message of yoga in promoting both the mental and physical well being of humanity has never been more relevant. A growing trend of people around the world embracing yoga to stay healthy and rejuvenated and to fight social isolation and depression has been witnessed during the pandemic. Then coming to yoga, yoga is also playing a significant role in the psychosocial care and rehabilitations of COVID-19 patients in quarantine and isolation. Nowadays, all people are come across the COVID-19. Then this theme for 2021 is helpful for the COVID-19 patients which are in quarantine and they are isolated. It is particularly helps in allaying their fears and anxiety. Means this yoga is particularly helping the COVID-19 patients for allowing their fears and anxiety and coming across the fears and anxiety. Recognizing this important role of yoga, this year's commemoration of International Yoga Day focuses on yoga for well-being. Means that yoga ಒಳ್ಳೆಯತನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. How the practice of yoga can promote the holistic healthy and every individual. The World Health Organization mentions yoga as means to improve health in its global action play on physical activity 2018 to 2030. More active people for a healthier world. It means that the World Health Organization, it is going to be mentioned yoga as means to improve health in global action. It means that in the global action we are going to improve ourselves in a healthier manner and plan on physical activity to 2018 to 2013 for more active people for healthier world. The UNICEF says kids can practice many yoga poses without any risks and get some benefits that adults do. These are some postures of the yoga in that the UNICEF is going to say that kids are going to be practice many yoga poses without any risk and get the same benefits that adults do. Like that, the adults which are going to taking the use of the yoga, like that even the kids also can take the benefits of the yoga without any risk. These benefits include increased flexibility and fitness, mindfulness and relaxation. This yoga is going to be give us an increased flexibility in our body. Then it is going to be give a fitness to our body, mindfulness and relaxation. In India, the International Yoga Day 2021 presents on occasion for all organization devoted to promotion of yoga to come forward and spread the message about rewards of regular practice of yoga among the general public. Every individual stands to gain from the regular practice of yoga through long-term benefits in health, happiness, and well-being. Yoga is one of the professionals can play an important role in making International Yoga Day an effective national movement for health and wellness. Here are some suggested activities to reach out to the people and induct them into the blissful world of yoga. Some of the suggestions or suggested activities which were given by the yoga experts, those are issuing internal guidelines within the organization or offices, giving the background of the observation of the 7th International Yoga Day, that is International Yoga Day 2021. This may be displayed prominently on their websites. Using your social media platforms to spread for latest updates and information about International Yoga Day. Displaying International Yoga Day logo on your websites and uploading guidelines for International Yoga Day observance on your websites. Familiarizing the employee or staff with common yoga protocol, organizing 15 days online training programs 1 hour per day on company yoga or common yoga protocol and ensuring maximum participation in the same in a COVID-19 compliant manner. Circulating related materials to all the employees and partners so that they can be further shared externally to raise awareness. Organizing yoga related activities such as online lectures, workshop, etc. by yoga expert starting at least 3 weeks ahead of International Yoga Day 2021. The organizing of the yoga related activities means we are going to give the online lectures or workshop or the present yoga celebrations by the yoga experts. These are going to be starting at least before the 3 weeks of the International Yoga Day celebration. Then distributing the yoga attire, yoga mats and other yoga related goodies duly having the logo of International Yoga Day 2021 means they are going to distributing the attire, yoga attire or yoga mats or other yoga related goodies like jerkins or pants. These are going to be having the logo of the International Yoga Day to their staff and encouraging everyone to practice and adopt the yoga. Publishing yoga and International Yoga Day specific articles in organization or NGOs, official e-letters, e-newsletters, bulletin and magazine, etc. Organizing yoga or common yoga protocol workshop involving yoga experts. Some online competitions on yoga theme are also be organized to create interest among the organization, volunteers, employees or public, especially the younger generation, like quiz, essays, etc. Through this, the people are going to be know about the yoga and we are going to be encourage them in related to yoga. Depending on the local circumstances, people may be encouraged to participate in International Yoga Day 2021 from their homes or in small gatherings. Contingent on the COVID-19 related government guidelines on the management of the pandemic, especially physical physical and dangerous norms, and the use of basic protective measures and such as masks and sanitizer, etc. Using masks and sanitizers must. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you everyone for listening to my introduction about the International Yoga Day, and thank you.